More than 60% of first-time cruise passengers say the first night on a ship sounds very different from sleeping at home. Not because something is wrong, because cruise cabins can suddenly reveal strange nighttime noises many passengers have never heard before. Not alarms, not emergencies, just sounds that suddenly wake people up thinking, "What was that?" Large cruise ships operate like floating cities. Engines, stabilizers, water systems, and ventilation networks continue running even while passengers sleep. Maritime engineers say modern cruise ships contain thousands of mechanical components operating at the same time, which can create unfamiliar sounds inside passenger cabins. Across cruise forums, thousands of passengers have shared stories about strange noises they heard during their first nights on board. So if you've ever woken up on a cruise ship wondering what that sound was, you're definitely not alone. After digging through passenger reports and ship engineering explanations, I found 9 strange noises you may hear in your cruise cabin at night and what each one actually means. One of them makes passengers think something heavy just moved above their cabin. Another can actually shake the cabin floor when the ship arrives in port. And the final one wakes up more passengers than any other. Let's start with number 9. Balcony door rattling. One of the first strange sounds many passengers notice is a soft rattling coming from the balcony door. Many cruise forums say over half of first-time cruisers notice this during their first night. At first, it can feel like someone lightly knocking on the glass. Some passengers even wake up and look toward the balcony, wondering if someone is outside. But most of the time, the explanation is simple. It's just wind interacting with the ship's movement. As cruise ships adjust speed and direction overnight, wind flowing along the side of the ship can create small vibrations in balcony door seals. Those vibrations can create a light rattling sound, especially when the ship turns or wind speeds increase. In a quiet cabin at night, even a tiny vibration can sound surprisingly loud. But the next sound surprises passengers even more, because it doesn't come from the balcony door. It comes from inside the walls of the cabin. 8. Water moving through the walls. Another sound that catches passengers off guard is a rushing or gurgling noise coming from inside the cabin walls. It can sound like someone suddenly turned on a shower nearby, and sometimes that's exactly what happened. Cruise ships have thousands of cabins connected through shared plumbing systems running behind walls and ceilings. When nearby passengers flush toilets, take showers, or drain sinks, water moves quickly through those pipes. During the day, these sounds are hidden by normal activity around the ship, but late at night, when everything becomes quieter, plumbing sounds suddenly become easier to hear. Some first-time cruisers even wake up thinking a pipe burst somewhere nearby. In reality, it's simply the ship's water system working normally. Large cruise ships circulate over 1 million gallons of fresh water through the vessel. But the next sound surprises passengers even more, because this time you don't just hear it, you can feel it through the floor. 7. Low hum through the floor. Some passengers wake up at night feeling a gentle vibration through the bed or cabin floor. Online discussions suggest around 60% of first-time cruisers notice this during their first night at sea. At first, it can feel like the ship suddenly changed speed, but what you're actually hearing is the ship's propulsion system running overnight. Cruise ships often travel the longest distances while passengers sleep. Modern ships use diesel-electric propulsion, where engines generate electricity to power electric motors connected to propellers. Because cruise ships are built mostly from steel, vibration from those motors can travel through the structure of the vessel. Late at night, when everything becomes quiet, that low hum becomes easier to notice. Most passengers get used to it after the first night, but the first time it happens, it can definitely catch your attention. And the next sound sometimes makes passengers think someone is moving furniture above their cabin. By the way, if you enjoy learning the little things cruise lines rarely explain to passengers, consider subscribing to the channel. I share new cruise insights like this every week to help you cruise smarter and avoid surprises. Number 6. Metal creaking or popping. Another sound that surprises passengers is a soft creaking or popping noise somewhere inside the ship. Passengers often describe it as metal gently shifting. Cruise ships are built almost entirely from steel. Just like bridges and tall buildings, steel expands and contracts as temperatures change. As the ship moves from warm daytime air into cooler nighttime temperatures, parts of the structure adjust slightly. Those small adjustments can create faint creaking sounds that travel through the ship. Passengers often notice this during the first night or two of a cruise before they become used to the ship's movement. After a couple of nights, most people barely notice it, but the first time you hear it, it can definitely make you stop and listen. And the next sound sometimes makes passengers think someone is moving furniture above their cabin. By the way, if you enjoy learning the little things cruise lines rarely explain to passengers, consider subscribing to the channel. I share new cruise insights like this every week to help you cruise smarter and avoid surprises. Late-night deck cleaning. Cruise ships may feel quiet at night, but behind the scenes, the crew is still working. Large ships operate 24 hours a day, and many cleaning tasks happen overnight. Crew members wash outdoor decks, move chairs, and prepare the ship for the next morning. If your cabin sits below an open deck area, you might hear rolling or scraping sounds above the ceiling. Some passengers say it sounds like furniture being dragged across the floor. One traveler said he woke up around 3 in the morning, convinced someone was rearranging tables above his cabin. But the next morning, he realized the crew had simply been cleaning the deck. Cruise lines prefer doing this work overnight so everything looks clean when passengers wake up. Most of the time, these sounds last only a few minutes, but hearing movement above your cabin late at night can definitely make you curious. Before we move to the next sound, here's something interesting. Many experienced cruisers say the first night on a cruise is always the loudest night, not because the ship is louder, but because your brain isn't used to the environment yet. By the second or third night, most passengers sleep through nearly all these sounds without noticing them. But the next sound on this list still surprises many passengers because it comes from a system hidden deep beneath the ship. 4. Stabilizer fin movement. Cruise ships use special devices called stabilizer fins to reduce rocking from ocean waves. Nearly every modern cruise ship uses this system. These large fins extend below the waterline and automatically adjust as the ship moves. Sometimes, when sea conditions change overnight, the stabilizers shift position. When that happens, passengers may hear a short mechanical bump somewhere deep inside the ship. One traveler described waking up briefly because he felt a small thump and thought the ship had hit something in the water, but the stabilizers had simply adjusted to counter a wave. Most of the time, passengers never notice them at all, but occasionally the movement creates a sound that travels through the ship's structure. And the next sound often wakes passengers early in the morning because it happens right before the ship arrives in port. 3. Thrusters preparing for port. Early in the morning, cruise ships begin preparing to arrive at their next destination. To maneuver safely near docks, ships use powerful engines called thrusters. These engines push water sideways to help guide the ship precisely into position. When thrusters activate, passengers may feel a deep vibration through the hull. Some travelers say it feels like a distant engine suddenly started beneath the cabin. Large cruise ships can weigh well over 100,000 tons, so these thrusters must be extremely powerful. Fortunately, the vibration usually lasts only a short time, but hearing that deep rumble for the first time can definitely catch passengers off guard. And the next sound sometimes makes passengers think something massive just dropped into the ocean. 2. Anchor chain movement. When cruise ships arrive near certain islands or smaller ports, they sometimes anchor instead of docking. To do this, the ship lowers a massive anchor connected to a heavy chain. Some anchor chains on large ships can weigh dozens of tons. When the anchor drops, the chain moves through metal guide systems inside the ship. Passengers may hear a loud grinding or scraping sound. One traveler said he woke up thinking something had broken on the ship, but everything was completely normal. The crew had simply lowered the anchor. And the final sound on this list is the one that surprises passengers the most because it doesn't come from engines or machinery at all. 1. The hallway door slam. Cruise ships have heavy fire safety doors throughout passenger corridors. These doors are required on every passenger ship for safety reasons. Because they are built for emergencies, they're much heavier than normal hotel hallway doors. When someone walks through and lets the door close behind them, it can create a loud thud that echoes through nearby cabins. Many passengers say this is the sound that wakes them up the most during their first night on board. But once you recognize the sound, it becomes just another normal part of life on a cruise ship. Now, the next time you hear a strange sound in your cruise cabin at night, you'll know exactly what's happening behind the scenes. And if you want to discover what cruise crews secretly do while passengers are sleeping, check out the next video on your screen.